I want to talk about the Chitlin circuit for a minute because there have been so many things said about the Chitlin circuit. It's so misleading things because the Chitlin circuit is just what it is. The chitlin, the hog guts. We used to work for the food and you get a plate of chitlin or 2 or 3 hamburgers. I remember back in the early 50s, I played so well the guy would give me 2 plates of chitlin. I would sell one up for 25 cents. He'd fix me 4 hamburgers. I would sell 3 of them and eat 1. So I sell a plate, so I would make an extra $2 a day just selling my food that he fixed for me. Because he wouldn't pay me but $4.50. You know, that's what we was making. My first gig, I'm making $12 a month. $12 a month. 1951, $12 a month. I have been up, I've been down, been turned all the way up, round and round. But I'm so thankful that finally I'm crossed over with a white audience, but yet I didn't cross out the black audience. I remember in 1951, don't you cry, playing in clubs, behind the curtain where they didn't want to see my face, but they want to hear my music. Then I have lived long enough to see the change in people's heart and mind. And God has let me live long enough to see the change and enjoy some of the changes that happened to me in my life. Let me tell you how much history in blues. Someone asked me, said, Bobby Roy, so why do you sing the blues? Is it because your woman left you? And I often tell them, yes, you can have the blues when your woman leaves you, but you can also have the blues if they stay too long. So I don't know, but you might not know about that, but it's somebody with us today. His name is Peter. He probably knows about that. But if he don't know, let me explain to Peter about this. Have you ever been mistreated by someone you're showing up love? Have you ever been mistreated by someone you're showing up love? Out of all the men my woman could have left me for, she left me for the garbage man. No matter how bad she treated me, still can't get the love out of my mind, yeah. Well, no matter how bad she treated me, still can't get the girl out of my mind. Out of all the men my woman could have left me for, she left me for the garbage man. If I ever get her to come back, I'm gonna buy myself a garbage truck. If I ever get my woman to come back, Peter, I'm gonna buy myself a garbage truck. When my garbage can't get full, Peter, I'm gonna take it and drop it way, way out in the woods. That's the blues for you.
Oh, what a treat. Oh my God.